This is a Renault Trafic. We've just fitted the flagship KENWOOD product. This is the DMX9 series, full HD screen, best one on the market. Exceptionally good colours, looks like factory OE and high-end German vehicles we see. Also got wireless mirroring, so with Android you can pair your phone, you can display whatever you like on the product. Pictures of your kids, pictures of your dogs. This one's been fitted with a ACV installation kit, so all the stalk steering wheel controls still work as before. Factory DAB, we've used the adapter for that as well, so you don't need to worry about that. So wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Another great product from KENWOOD. Thanks for watching.